Hi, dear children. We have started metallurgy and we were discussing about minerals and ores in the last class, right? So let's recall what are minerals and ores. Minerals are metallic compounds generally seen in the earth crust. All minerals cannot be used for the extraction of metals. So, a mineral from which a metal is economically, easily, and quickly extracted is called ore of a metal. All ores are mineral, but all minerals are not ore. Today we are going to learn about one of the important stages in the process of metallurgy, that is about concentration of ores. There are different methods, so let's learn concentration in detail. Concentration. It is the process of removing the impurities from the ore obtained from the earth crust is termed as concentration. The impurities present on the ore are generally known as gangue. Depending on the nature of ore and the impurities, there are different methods of concentration. Let's see the first method in detail. So first one is levitation or hydraulic washing. This process is usually done with lighter impurities and heavier ore particles. In this method, the finely powdered ore particles are passed in a current of water on an inclined surface. As a result, the lighter impurities are washed away and the heavier ore particles are left behind. Usually, the concentration of oxide ore and the concentration of ore of gold is done by this method. Remember, the densities of ore particle and the impurities are utilized in this method. So levitation is done with the lighter impurities and heavier ore particles. Shall we move to the next method? Second one is froth flotation. Froth flotation is just opposite to that of levitation. Here, heavier impurities and lighter ore particles are used. This process is usually used to concentrate sulfide ores. In this process, finely powdered ore is mixed with the pine oil and water to make the froth. A current of air is passed through the mixture. As a result, the froth carrying lighter ore particle floats on the surface, whereas heavier impurities settle down. Hence, the lighter ore can be separated from the froth afterwards. Okay, the third method is magnetic separation. If either the ore or impurity is magnetic in nature, magnetic separation is used for concentrating the ore. In this method, finely powdered ore is passed through a magnetic roller. As a result, the ore or the impurities having magnetic nature falls near the roller. In the case of concentration of magnetite, an ore of iron, the ore of iron falls near the roller, whereas the gangue particles, that means the impurity, falls down further. So in this method, the magnetic property of ore or impurity is utilized. The last one is leaching. Leaching is entirely different from all other processes because it is a chemical process. Usually, bauxite, an ore of aluminium, is concentrated through this process. In this method, the powdered ore is treated with a hot concentrated sodium hydroxide. The pure bauxite dissolves in sodium hydroxide and forms sodium aluminate. Insoluble impurities are filtered off from the solution. A small quantity of freshly prepared aluminum hydroxide is added so that it precipitate more amount of aluminum hydroxide. It is filtered, washed and strongly heated to get aluminum oxide, otherwise known as alumina. Alright, children. So, we discussed about the four methods of concentration. So, here is an activity for you. Try to write the appropriate method of concentration by analyzing the density of ore and impurity. Also, write down the proper method of concentration for the given ore. Learn well. See you in the next class. Thank you.